McKesson Confiderm 3.0 Nitrile Gloves provide reliable barrier protection for medical and cleaning tasks without relying on natural rubber latex, which is helpful for users with sensitive skin or allergies. The gloves are powder-free and ambidextrous, so they go on either hand smoothly and avoid the mess or dryness that powder can cause during frequent changes. A thin, stretchy nitrile formulation allows these gloves to contour closely to the hand, giving a secure feel while remaining comfortable for extended wear. Lightly textured fingertips improve grip on instruments and small items, making it easier to handle equipment safely even when surfaces are wet. The dark blue color and medium size offer a professional appearance and clear sizing, while still suiting a wide range of users in shared workplaces. Each box contains a generous count of single-use, non-sterile gloves, making this bulk pack practical for busy clinics, labs, and caregiving environments.